besingathanda ukuthi amakhosi alapha aresponde athethe ukusivalela before sivale okuhlangana kwethu. Mhlambe silwela into abangayifuni.
We would like the kings to speak. Maybe we are fighting for what they don't want.
Bacho ukuthi ke lento silwelayo ayikho masiyeke siyeke.
We want them to say what we are fighting for is non-existent. Let's leave it so we may live it.
Kodwa uma ngaba bathi ikhona siyaya phambili.
But if they say we are fighting for what's relevant, we are moving forward.
Sizobacela again.
We will ask them
Sibonge kakhulu
and give thanks
inkokheli le yethu umhlonitshwa wesizwe uPresident uGedlehlekisa Jacob Zuma.
Former President Gedlehlekisa Zuma.
Siyamcela uThixo ngawe.
We ask God about you.
Akugcine.
That He keeps you.
Akwandisele insuku zokuphila phezukwalomhlaba.
And extend your days on this earth.
Ude uyibone lento ilwelayo phezukomhlaba.
Till you realize what you are fighting for on this land.
Siyamcela uThixo.
We ask God
Angasisuseli wena kulomhlaba.
that He does not remove you from this earth.
Asinike wena usikhokhele.
That He gives us yourself to lead us.
Njengoba usikhokhele.
As you are leading us.
Siyamcela uThixo.
We are asking God
Ukuba izwe lethu
that our land
libuye.
come back.
Ukuba ngaba sithi sinenkululeko ilizwe sinalo
If we say have
siyadlala.
freedom but we have no land, we are playing.
Elilizwe
This land
salinikezwa nguThixo.
was given to us by God.
Wathi sawuphila ngazo zonke into ezingaphansi kwalo.
And He said would live through its resources.
Elilizwe liyinsikelelo yethu.
This country is our blessing.
Asinawulamba elilizwe
We may not
likhona.
starve in the presence of this land.
Kufuneka nikhumbule lento.
You need to remember this.
uThixo zangahamba eKanana yolwa nabantu baseKanana.
God never went to Canaan to fight with the people there.
Kuba ilizwe ilele amaSrayeli.
Because the Canaan belonged to the
Wathi
Israelites.
wona amaSrayeli ayolwa.
He said to the Israelites, they must go themselves and fight.
Nathi uThixo akazuthi ayolwa nabelungu.
God will not go and fight with the white people. We are the ones who will go and fight and fight for our own land.
Ukuba ke asemumva uThixo.
If we do not hear God,
Sizawulibala lemfekethe yokuvota sohlukene.
we will keep voting in separation.
Masivote ndawonye.
Let's vote in one place.
Ukuba uthi ngumKristu.
If you are a Christian,
ungumKristu onjani?
what kind of a Christian are you?
Lobathi abantwana bakaKristu bawukhala
Whom
ungeva
when
wena.
people of Christ cry, you do not hear. If you are a Christian, let's vote together.
Ukuba ungumntwana kaThixo.
If you are a child of God,
Noba uyayiphi inkolo.
it doesn't matter which religion you subscribe to. Let us vote
Ngoba
together.
munye ubaba wethu.
For there is only one Father.
Sinobaba oyi-one.
We have only one Father
owasidalayo.
who created us.
Asivote
Let us
ndawonye.
vote in one place.
Nkokheli nkulu.
Our great
Ndifuna
leader.
uvakalisa into yokuthi sixoxe kamnandi noFransman.
I want to declare that we had fruitful discussions
masivote
with
ndawonye.
that we vote
Njengoba
together
nathi sithini sisenza.
as we are doing.
Bengicinga ba uzawuyiphinda lento nje
I thought he was going to reiterate it while here.
Bengingafuni bithethwe ndini.
I didn't want it to be said by myself, but by him.
Inithicrities asinamsebenzi nazo.
We don't care much about nitty-gritties.
Sizawuzilungisa as we go.
We'll correct them as we move along.
Kodwa asivote
But let us
ndawonye.
vote in one place.
Ningalityaziswa into yokuthiwa kwakho amakhaladi. Akho khaladi apha.
Don't
Sonke
waste time with
singabantu
issues
abayi-one.
of being a colored. There's no colored here. One thing.
Yekele sicinezelwe sonke
We
ukhalado
are
lo
all
khalado.
oppressed. Colored, no colored. You are oppressed.
Masivote
Let us vote
ndawonye.
together
Sithathe ilizwe
and
lethu.
reclaim our land.
Sivota
Voting
ndawonye.
in one place.
Amakhosi ethu
Our kings.
siwaphakamise.
So that we
Siyeke
elevate
uwanika
our
izilaps.
kings and not give them leftovers.
Ngiyacela makhosi akithi.
I'm asking from the kings.
Nansi platform yenu.
Here is your platform.
Phambi kokuba ndivale
Before I
andikwazi
conclude
uvala.
this service,
ikumkani singathethanga.
I will not conclude having not heard from the kings.
Then thereafter
Emveni koko ke,
uyoselebela ke ubaba wethu.
our father will
Then ke
finish up
ndiphakamise mina intsikelelo
and I'll do benediction and
njengokuthunywa
blessings
kwami.
of my commission.
Kodwa uzawuthetha emveni kwenu.
He will speak after us.
For another opportunity.
Ndiyabulela ngelithuba.
We have heard
Sivile
our leaders speaking.
inkokheli zethu zithetha.
It is clear
Icacile
that we are all coming together.
okokuba ngoku siyahlangana.
This is something that we've been waiting for a long time.
Le yinto ebesiyilindele ixesha elide.
Particularly the traditional leaders, our indigenous leaders,
Ingakumbi inkokheli zomthonyama
who were taken and put aside as if they had no role to play.
ezaye zathatha zabekelwa ecaleni ngokunga azinandima efuneka ziyidlalile.
It is indeed something that we must all work towards achieving, that we become together to be one nation that lives in peace.
Into leyo ekufuneka siqiniseke ukuba sisebenzela into bana sibuye sihlangane sisebenze kunye kubekho uxolo.
I must also thank the chief apostle.
Kwakhona ndibulela umpostile oyinhloko.
He is indeed a very important leader
Uyinkokheli
of our people.
ebalulekileyo kakhulu yabantu bethu.
He is also doing something to make us a one nation.
Kwakhona wenza into ezawusenza sibe sisizwe esinye.
And liberate ourselves
Sikwazi ukuzikhulula
with everything.
ngakho konke.
I'd also want to thank the pastors at all levels
Kwakhona
who are with us,
ndinqwenela ukubulela opastor bonke kwizikhakha zonke abantu apha namhlanje
who are giving us the way forward.
abasinikeza umkhomba ndlela.
I also like to thank
Ndithanda ukubulela kwakhona
all of us who are here,
bonke abantu abalapha
who have come to talk to God,
abaze ukuthetha noThixo,
to ask God to help us succeed in our endeavors.
ukucela uThixo okokuba siphumelele kwimizamo yethu,
To liberate ourselves.
okokuba sikwazi ukuzikhulula.
The time has come,
Ixesha selifikile.
and all of us should think the same way.
Sonke ke apha kufanele into basicinge ngohlobo olunye.
So we'd like to thank everyone,
Ndithanda
and I'm
ukubulela
sure
wonke umuntu.
the chief apostle will finish off the job as our leader to lead us.
Ndiqinisekile umpostoli oyinhloko uzawugqibezela njengenkokheli yethu ukuba sikhokhele.
Tina sizwe, Tina Sikalela. Izwele elathathwa mabawuyeke 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 umhlaba abantwana bakhalela mabawuyeke 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 mabawuyeke. Siyabonga bakwethu. Thank you very much.